Battling an uncontrollable yawn? Ever wondered why we yawn in the first place? Well, let's dive into the science behind it. Yawning, a wide-mouthed, deep inhalation of air, is a reflex act. It's usually linked with tiredness, stress, overwork, or boredom. But there's more to it than just that. Contrary to popular belief, yawning doesn't increase oxygen levels in the brain. Instead, it cools the brain. When you yawn, the flow of cool air in the mouth cools the blood going to the brain. Our brain works best when it's cool, and yawning helps achieve that. So, the next time you yawn, remember, it's your body's way of keeping your brain in optimal condition. Stay curious, keep learning, and until next time, keep those yawns coming. Tell us in the comment below when you get yawning. And now I feel like yawning.